If you are already using video for training, marketing, or internal communication, Pictory Central helps you turn those videos into interactive experiences in minutes. Here's how to use it. First, upload your video. You can add a file from your computer or choose one from your Pictory projects. Once uploaded, Pictory will automatically analyse the content. It detects topic changes and creates structured chapters, making it easy for viewers to jump to specific sections. Next, Pictory generates quiz questions based on your video. Simply review them, make edits, or add your own questions to reinforce learning and confirm understanding. You can also insert call to action buttons directly inside the video at key moments, link to a sign-up page, additional resources, or the next training module to drive engagement and conversions. When you are ready to publish, choose the format that fits your workflow, or export it as a SCORM package for your LMS. With Pictory Central, you can transform passive video into measurable, interactive engagement quickly and without complex tools.